Hi guys, this is Mansi. Welcome to my channel. So today I'll be talking for the first time in my video, or maybe second, I don't know. So excuse me if I make any mistake. I'm in Nagpur today. It's a very beautiful city and it's quite raining today. Let me show you how it looks from my hotel room. So yeah, that was it. You saw the view. And it's a pretty long layover, and here I have Miss Gayatri with me, my roommate. Hello. So I thought I'll make the most use of it. So I created this yellow bluish look using the UCANBE eyeshadow palette. I will mention the link in the description below. So to know how I created this look, watch until the end and make sure you subscribe to my channel.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.